Here are the top 5 things you should know about using Copilot in Excel. Number 1, cleaning up your data. Messy, inconsistent data can be tough to work with. So you can ask Copilot, clean up this dataset by standardizing, formatting, fixing inconsistent entries, and organizing it into a clear table. And instantly, your data is much easier to read. Number 2, creating formulas to help you analyze your data. Just prompt what you're looking to calculate. For example, create a formula to calculate total profit for each event based on revenue and cost. Copilot instantly builds the formula and adds it to your table. Number 3, creating charts. Visualize your data by creating charts. Ask Copilot, create a bar chart showing total profit by event and highlight the highest and lowest performing events. In seconds, Copilot generates a chart in your worksheet. Number 4, updating your data. If your data changes, you don't need to redo everything. Just ask Copilot, add another Kids Adventure Pack event on March 3rd and update the table totals and bar chart. Your data is updated instantly with the new information. Number 5, gathering insights. Have Copilot help you extract findings from your data by asking, highlight key takeaways and insights based on this data. Copilot helps you highlight what really matters. Go from raw data to helpful insights in just 5 easy steps. Stick around for more helpful ways to use Copilot.